Reset your health, stop feeling like crap. Let's be real, if you're watching this, you've probably been feeling kinda blah. Maybe it's fatigue, brain fog, or just an overall blah feeling. Sound familiar? Well, you're not alone. Today we're going to hit the reset button on your health and get you feeling amazing again. Ready to stop feeling like crap? Let's do this. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Feeling like crap isn't just in your head. A lot of us are stuck in bad habits, overwhelmed by stress, and running on fumes. Here are a few signs your health might need a reset. You're always tired no matter how much you sleep. You rely on caffeine or sugar to get through the day. You're bloated or dealing with constant stomach issues. You're moody or anxious more often than not. If any of these hit you, don't worry. The good news is that small, consistent changes can make a huge difference. Let's start with food because you are what you eat, right? If you're fueling your body with junk, it's going to fight back. But don't worry, you don't need a complicated diet plan to feel better. Here's where to start. Tip 1. Most of us walk around dehydrated. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. Add a slice of lemon or cucumber if plain water feels boring. Tip 2. Skip the processed stuff and focus on whole foods. Fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Think of food as fuel, not just a quick fix. Tip 3. Too much sugar can leave you feeling tired and sluggish. Swap out sugary snacks for natural options like fruits or nuts. All right, let's talk movement. Exercise doesn't have to mean hitting the gym for hours. The key is just to move. Here's how you can reset your energy levels with exercise. Tip 1. Start with a 10-minute walk or some light stretching. Movement gets your blood flowing and clears your mind. Tip 2. Hate running? Don't do it. Dance, swim, bike. Find something that makes you smile while you sweat. Tip 3. Stretching isn't just for flexibility. It helps release tension and improve circulation. Bonus. It feels amazing. Feeling like crap? It might be because you're not giving your body the rest it needs. Sleep and relaxation are just as important as eating and exercising. Here's how to recharge. Tip 1. Set a bedtime, turn off your screens an hour before, and create a relaxing nighttime routine. Sleep is your body's time to repair. Tip 2. Stress can drain you fast. Try meditation, journaling, or even a few deep breaths to reset your mind. Tip 3. If you're glued to your desk all day, you're going to burn out. Step away, stretch, or take a quick walk. Okay, we've talked about food, movement, and rest. But how do you make these changes last? It's all about building habits. Tip 1. Don't overhaul your entire life overnight. Focus on one habit at a time, like drinking more water or walking daily, and build from there. Tip 2. It's not about perfection. It's about showing up consistently. Over time, these small habits will add up to big changes. Tip 3. Even tiny progress deserves a celebration. Reward yourself for sticking to your goals, whether it's a new playlist or a fun activity. Feeling amazing doesn't happen overnight, but the journey starts with one step. Resetting your health is about progress, not perfection. So start small, stay consistent, and be kind to yourself along the way. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share this video with someone who needs a reset, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Comment below with your favorite tip or let me know how you're planning to reset your health. Thanks for watching.